evening. The strip is always one of the more popular areas here in Benidorm, and the upcoming days that won't be any different. But don't forget about all the streets around it. Today I'm starting on the Avenida Filipinas, the big street with all the palm trees aligned on them, heading towards the strip and then beyond it to check out the bars over there. Areas you probably not have seen yet, so I'm gonna see how they are. First I've got the Temple Bar on the right, recently opened up. As you can see, it's quite busy already at most of the bars in Benidorm. The sun has just gone down. Nightlife is slowly kicking in. People are still looking for food, where they're gonna spend the night. One of the big newcomers here on the opposite is the Brit station, really busy one down there. And it's lined directly onto the strip. Rockies is on the opposite, but I'm gonna head towards the other side. A bit further on, Golden Arcos Hotel, and then take a left up there. While I'm heading there, please guys, don't forget, hit that like, really does help promoting the videos out there, and do subscribe if you're new to the channel. The Outback Bar, and about every single bar here in Benidorm is gonna show the Cheltenham races. The upcoming days. Prices do vary a lot with most of them. This here, really affordable as you can see. So as for weather related, tomorrow you probably want to find an indoor bar. Lots of rain is in the forecast, but the rest of the days, hopefully lots of sunshine that will make up for it, and you will definitely forget the showers we're gonna have tomorrow here. Philippines 10, lots of shows going on. So as most of you know, Jokers is closed, won't open again. But it doesn't mean there isn't much else around. Got the Royal Arrow. Plenty of restaurants if you're looking for something different than the standard fast food Benidorm has, like right up there. There are recently quality restaurants around. Got Sinatra's up here. No morning yet, but we'll definitely come. We'll get really busy around here in this area. Got Camden town, a bit further towards the left. Up in this street you've got Buddy's Bar. Let's have a walk towards there. One of the calmer areas to enjoy a drink in the evenings. And the new bar, the Mango Tango, is up there as well. That one is closed. Mango Tango this evening. But Buddy's Bar isn't. This is a little bit more of a quieter area. A bit further on, we've got the Ibrox bar. And you can see the Churchill pub up there. But I'm gonna take a left. Got the Perla hotel on my right. Currently still closed. Will open up, I believe, in the upcoming weeks as things get busier around Benidorm. On my left there's a big chicken grill place. For chicken, some chips. There we got Silver's, the bar opened up last year. Has been closed for a while. Probably will be really busy. They have loads of screens around to show all the games. And all sports and everything. But as I said, it's still early. Most people are out for dinner right now. Things will get busier later on. Cafe Benidorm, which is right up here on my right, is still closed. It opens at late at night. The Champions Bar. And the rest of all the clubs only opens at night right up on this street. Champions is the only one open all day long. Now let's walk a little bit through the strip so you can see the difference, but I'll mainly do the bars which are fine, which are calmer. And one of my favorites as well, Andy's, which is coming up. On the right we got the Marina resort. Let's see the terrace. No one around currently, but they do have a really big screen down there.
Yes! I know I can. Yeah.
Tiki Town, Planet Benidorm, lots of things right up there, and Andy's, one of my favorites right up there to have a drink at. Love it during daytime, fun at night, watching some people walking by. The Marina Hotel. While those bars are getting busier, the ones that are covered offer entertainment at night. The ones that really have daytime visitors are getting quieter, like jumping jacks. Still, weather was lovely today, around 17 degrees, I believe. Lots of sunshine. I think they did really well today. Same thing goes for the final bar we have on the strip right up here. It's the Rockstar. Terrace outside is completely empty back there. Few people left. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget hitting that like button, really does help. And do subscribe if you want to see more how the upcoming days are going to be here in Benidorm.
I know I'll be okay, 'cause I found my way.